This video is a video on the wonders of just using a white Kohl pencil and a lipstick for eyeshadow and highlighting for around the eyes and cheeks. That's it. I just want to show you how versatile these products are. So this is a Rimmel Soft Kohl. Maybe you can see that. Yes, by Rimmel. This is my favourite white Kohl pencil ever, and I've been using it since the age of about 13. See this? Look at that. You can just highlight and raise an eyebrow really easily, meaning that it lifts your face. Look at that. Makes your eyebrow look higher. I've got really wonky eyebrows, just like my face is wonky anyway. I've got crooked teeth and one eye's smaller than the other, and I find makeup really evens things out. So you can raise an eyebrow using a white Kohl pencil. 1, 2, inner eyes. You see that? And here. Bing! And then you can put on eyeshadow. It really opens up that area. Also, this area. Oh no, it's come off. There. To widen the eye as well. So it's so soft that it actually just melts away as you use it. But other things you can use it for, I have a little bit left here. Let me see, what else do I use it for? Doing this, right? Lifting. So you are creating the illusion, the lie, the trick of makeup. It's like a face paint, isn't it? Right? So you're sculpting like this. Which, I guess, you can't see a massive difference in a video, but definitely creates a sense that your cheekbones are going up high. What else can you use it for? Here. To emphasize the Cupid's bow. To tidy up any lippy that's gotten a bit messy. To lighten foundation on the jawline. And also, if you've got a wonky nose like me, to make one side of your nose look wider and even your nose out. There you go, that's a white Kohl pencil. Awesome. So, really versatile. Lift your eyebrows, use it here, even out your nose, Cupid's bow, even out the jawline, and sculpting upwards. Now, second item, lipstick. Now, I've gone for a nude lipstick. This is a Revlon one I really like. You can use red, you can use pink, you can use brown. I'm going to use it as a makeshift eyeshadow. Imagine you really only have a couple of minutes to get out the door. But like me, you need some eyeshadow for definition on your eyes, otherwise you look like a baby rabbit with absolutely no eyes. Or, as we say in England, like piss holes in the snow. I love that phrase. Alright, this is a makeshift emergency eyeshadow. You can add a bit more, you can blend it. Go up here, obviously, into the socket and blend. There. See, just a little bit more colour. And you know, if you like that conjunctivitis look, that's also a bonus, isn't it? So, there you go. Now, lastly, here you go. It's now a blusher. Oh, I shouldn't say lastly, there's more actually. I can think of more uses. Right, colour. What else can I use it for? Right, I know, here, on the nose, to shape the nose to create a little shadow and make the nose look shorter and cuter. This side's wonky and it goes crooked like this. So I want to create the illusion by doing this that it's thinner. Okay, now shade that in, otherwise it looks like I've been punched in the nose. Punched in the eyes, punched in the nose, conjunctivitis. Such a good look. Alright, and then reapply. Wait, I want to make that look a bit more dramatic. There, no more. Never know when to stop, that's the problem. That's why my makeup takes me so long. It's like, how much more can I fit on my face without a shovel? Loads. Right, I'm going to blend that in a bit more. Good thing is, if you use your fingers, you make a mesh, just rub it away. And it's softer, so I tend not to use brushes for blush or anything, because they just look, I think they put too much on, and then I'm always covering up with foundation. So anyway, one more use. Yeah, I have a very sparse hairline. Very thin hair, so it kind of like makes me look like I've got a massive receding hairline, which is kind of how, if I put it up here and here, kind of makes my forehead look a bit less of a slap head. Right, so that is an emergency makeup application using just 2 items. So that is Revlon's lipstick in Cream 415. It's a lovely nude colour. And Rimmel's Soft Kohl White Pencil. That's it. Oh, and if you wanted to add some mascara as well. And that's just a bit of colour. Maybe you were in a rush and you don't have much time, or whatever, you like pink. And there you go. You can use your lipstick as eyeshadow, as well as a blusher and a lipstick and a contourer. And you can do that with the Kohl pencil too. Thanks. Bye bye.